Well, I am so excited about a little something that I got for myself, a little thing to make our camping trips convenient and easier for setup, all that fun stuff. Clicking on the description link, whatever you clicked on to get here, you probably know what it is already. I'm going to go grab it. For the record and for your information, I was not paid, compensated, etc., anything at all for this fireplace. I picked it up on Amazon for a pretty good sale price. I had it on my watch list for quite some time, saw the price go down, decided to pick it up. All right, here's the box. That's it right there. We got ourselves an outdoor fire pit. That's right, this is the Outland Firebowl Deluxe. It is a propane fire pit. Take out wherever you need to, and a huge benefit of this is if there's any restrictions for fireplaces and all that fun stuff, wherever you're headed out camping, generally speaking, these propane fire pits will be allowed. You can still have your hot dogs, your marshmallows, s'mores, all that fun stuff. We're gonna flip this around so it opens up towards y'all. And it's taped up there. It's nice and secure. Got one more spot there as well. All right, let's open it up. Very nice. I like that they have the owner's manual in color there. It definitely means that they didn't cheap out on it, basically. Nothing just printed off from a inkjet printer at home or something. Very nice. I like that. Okay, this looks like, yeah, that looks like a lid for it. Ooh, nice. I like that. What do we got here? A couple rings. All taped up. And, oh, I bet that's a carrying strap. And so this is a propane cylinder stabilizer ring. Cool. Styrofoam out of the way. Woo! This is looking good. Oh, I like this. There, we've got the temperature, or I guess the amount of propane that you want to let through here. It's kind of like a typical one where you go, when you turn it on, it clicks on to high, and then you take it down to low from there. And you gotta push it in to turn it off. It's got a nice long hose here on it. Let's see, where's the end of it? There it is. Oh, they secured that down. That's good. I'm gonna leave that on there for a minute. But that looks awesome. Leave it right there. And a whole bunch of these. I wonder if they're at different sizes. That one says LG, probably for large. Spare rocks. Yep, mediums, and more medium. Cool, and that's everything from the box. Awesome, so let's get the box out of the way, and let's go through a little bit of setup for the actual fireplace itself. So the first thing that we're going to want to do here is the medium-sized rocks. There's 2 bags of those. So I'm going to open these up and just pour them right into here. A little bit of dust in there. I don't know if that has any impact. Woo! Maybe indoors was a bad idea. Woo! I don't know if the dust will have any impact to the actual propane holes. I might blow those out to be able to not have to worry about that later. One thing I am going to do here though is arrange the rocks so I don't have to worry about them covering up any of those holes. Yeah, note to self, don't do this indoors. That was dusty. I might open a door or something. All right. Arrange these in here. See if we can. You can see all the dust that's getting all over my fingers. I'm betting the first time this fires up, it's just gonna go poof. That looks pretty good right there. Now, we'll put in the large rocks. There we go. Got ourselves a little fire pit. Now the spare rocks, these ones I'm going to probably just throw in the back of the trailer, and if for some reason I lose some of these or something like that, I can just toss them into the fire pit later. All right, and the final piece of this puzzle is our lid. So I sit that right on there, flip that towards you. I'll have that Outland Firebowl symbol right towards you, and all those rocks are in there that they're not pushing up on this lid at all. So we put this strap on next to make sure that the lid stays there, and we're good to take it outside and roast some marshmallows or something. This is not how it goes, apparently. This goes all the way down. Let's see if we can see right there. That was a bad idea. All the rocks just slid a little bit. Shuffle them. There we go. All right. Ooh, it stretches. Okay, cool. So it stretches down over and snaps right on. Nice. All right, perfect. You know, I tell you what, that was awesome. I love that they had that strap on there for having it secured down, and as well as carrying it. Super convenient. And while traveling, being able to have this strap on it so that you don't have to worry about the rocks and the lid bouncing around and whatnot, that lid is staying on there. It ain't going anywhere. I like that a lot. Well, I am looking forward to tonight. I am excited for this. Could have some marshmallows, some hot dogs. Ooh, let's have some s'mores for sure. I'm so excited. We're gonna fast forward from today to tonight. Woohoo!
Yeah.
That was a big flame.
Wait, hold on! I'm right over here! Ah! Well, I felt it here. I thought my arm was on fire. Crap, I thought I fell in. I fell in too. Let me see. It doesn't even look brown. I got it. Oh, I got fire!
Uh-oh.
Jack, stop. Oh, blow mine, Dad. Blow it. Blow